What a beautiful day. Another day, another chance to get better. We are live here in the GUIAO Convention Center. We have the day 3 of the competition. We have the NYBL Boss League against FABLLI New York. What a great matchup earlier. Kitang-kita natin. We have the NYBL Boss League who are led by Carlo Manalili, and for the FABLLI New York, we have Speedy Lakindanom. We have the game at hand, the NYBS Boss League and the FABLLI New York. And this is, I'm Nico Arshaga, and I am with the adorable Martin Daes, and we have our courtside reporter, Miss Kim. So yun, tip-off will be here shortly. What a great matchup it is, Martin.
A great matchup indeed in store for us as we see. And of course, before getting into that, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sinag Liga Asya. But to that point, Nico, a great matchup here between the NYBL Boss League and FABLLI New York. FABLLI New York, one of the stronger teams here, an established undefeated record for FABLLI New York. Let's see if NYBL can come away with the win here.
Here's our tournament format for the preliminary round. You have a single round robin, 10 teams, and the top 2 teams will advance to the semifinals. And for the semifinals, it will be a crossover. It's going to be A1 versus B2 and B1 versus A2. And for the finals, it will be a knockout game for the 19 under division of your Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup 2024. Ayan, tip-off. Hintayin na natin mag-tip off.
Oo.
Again.
So as you can see, just from the tournament format alone, you're gonna be meeting teams in the semifinals that you've never even played against.
Yes, so kaya dito sa Sinag Liga Asya, kailangan mo talagang ibigay na yung best mo eh. Kasi top 2 teams lang ang papasok para sa semifinals.
Every game matters here in Sinag Liga Asya Juniors World Showcase.
Yeah, kaya
Cup 2024.
Kaya itong FABLLI New York, wala pa tong talo.
Oo,
another
grabe
win.
FABLLI.
Well, I think they will be having a high chance of being in the semifinals.
FABLLI New York, definitely one of the more impressive teams here. If you look at them, baka kala mo, maliit lang sila. But they just play with such a calm and imposing presence here. Led by Ethan Speedy Lakindanom.
Here's our first possession of the first quarter. It is the FABLLI New York. Here's Julian Caldejon for
he has that.
No good.
May konting warm-up pa muna si Caldejon dito. Because we all know he could shoot.
Yes. Hintayin natin makashoot si Julian. Kasi ang number 1 supporter niya nandito. Ang kanyang mom.
Oo. And of course, a big shout out to everyone who's watching from New Jersey, New York, the tri-state area, the people of the Husay Basketball Club doing such a great job with these kids.
Oo, tama yan. Now we got Angeles to his teammate Ramos.
Isa pa to si number 8, Justin Ramos. Another one of these key players here who can shoot it from mid-range and out. A versatile big here for the NYBL Boss League.
Siya yung nakashoot nung crucial 3-pointer kahapon eh.
That clutch bucket.
There's Julian again. Other pass to Sean.
Great ball movement.
No good.
FABLLI.
There's Speedy. Oh!
Showing the handles.
A full mixtape for Speedy Lakindanom.
Everything but the finish there from Ethan.
Oo. And again, for those who are watching at home or at work, meron kaming live stream sa Facebook and on YouTube. So, good defense by Julian Caldejon as he forces a turnover for the NYBL Boss League. Now, FABLLI New York. Ito na yung meron silang 1-3-1 defense yung NYBL Boss League.
Oo.
Is Speedy, jumpers, no good. Nugget with the putback.
Medyo nakakagulat din. We've seen a lot of teams use this 1-3-1 defense.
Yes, oo.
Getting away from the traditional 2-3 zone here.
Isa yan sa nakikita kong effective dito sa Sinag Liga Asya.
Oo.
Yung zone defense. Kasi na-expose nila yung team na walang 3-point shooter.
And you know, it's just another testament to the development of the game. Kasi ngayon, halos lahat ng teams may shooting na talaga eh.
Oo. Tsaka hindi lang lahat ng teams, lahat ng players,
Oo.
regardless if you're a big man or a guard. So here's Erickson Cruz.
Another key player here for NYBL Boss League is going to be Paul De La Cruz.
Yes.
He scored almost 30 points in his last outing.
Grabe yan. Yan si Paul De La Cruz. Siya yung nag-best player.
Beautiful,
We got
beautiful
Julian
play from
Caldejon.
Julian
I'm trying to
Caldejon.
find Julian's mom. Oh, yun. Nakita na namin yung mom ni Julian. Very animated supporter.
Oo.
Foul on Nugget.
Of course, big shout out to Julian Caldejon's mom, an avid supporter here in Sinag Liga Asya.
Let's, for now, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim.
Give it all. Yan ang nasabi sa akin ng coach of NYBL Boss League, Ariel Ison. Dagdag niya na walang tulog ang kanyang mga players dahil late na natapos ang kanilang laro. At galing pa sila sa kanilang hometown Bataan. Pero pipilitin nila itong makuha at bigay ang 100% nila. Now back to you, Nico and Martin.
Thank you for that report. Medyo yung pala, no? Meron silang fatigue factor
Oo.
dito kasi late na natapos yung laro. Tapos
Umuwi pa
galing
sila
pa sa
ng
Bataan.
Bataan, grabe.
Pero, again, these are athletes. There are no excuses for reaching your dreams.
What a pass from Julian Caldejon to Nico Armario. Just couldn't get it to finish.
Oh, yan. Here's Erickson Cruz. Strip, but a foul for number
Isa din
13,
tong
Speedy.
exciting player for NYBL Boss League. Erickson Cruz has proven to be a great facilitator and creator for the team. Ayun lang, his shot, not the most consistent, but when he does heat up, he can't get it to fall.
Yeah, makikita natin yung yung growth nito ni Erickson Cruz.
Oh.
Here's Paul De La Cruz for Dre. No good. What a rebound by Nugget.
Here comes Speedy, counterattack.
Sean Leo, yes sir!
The cousin connection from the Lacandanum.
Yes.
Cousins.
Blood is thicker than water.
Oo,
Sabi
grabe.
ni Speedy.
Pareha sila ng disposition no?
Oo.
Wala masyadong reaction.
Walang reaksyon. Nakashoot na siya ng foul counted. Yun lang.
Ayun lang. One little scream.
Tapos na. Oh, this is a different from this NYBL Boss League is different from what we saw yesterday. Kasi 19 under to. And 17 under yung kahapon. Kaya pala sabi ko, parang iba yung coach nila.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Oo. Pero same players eh.
So for those who are unfamiliar and just tuning in, we have multiple brackets and divisions here in Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
There's Erickson Cruz with he missed the layup.
Masyadong wide open.
Oh, Lopez patiently for that jumper.
We've seen a lot of missed open layups here in the tournament so far, but that's as expected as you are.
Here's Sean for Dre. No good.
Sometimes
Speedy
forget
again.
na yung mga 19 under lang to no?
Julian. Yes, sir!
Julian Caldejon starting to warm up here for
Julian
FABLLI New York.
Caldejon.
Steady presence talaga siya.
That will be an offensive foul for Erickson Cruz. Kung may imagine mo, bro, if they played for 17 under yesterday and they're playing for 19 under now,
Mga 16 years old lang ata
Oo.
sila no?
they're having the experience na naglalaro sila on two different brackets.
Grabe.
We have a timeout for the NYBL Boss League. Magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
We are now back once again here in the Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. We want to thank CDO, the food that brings you home. CDO, baka naman.
Baka naman. Medyo nagka-craving ng CDO. Di pa ako nag-breakfast eh.
Yes, sir. Baka naman may pa-burger kayo dyan, CDO. And again, we have Speedy up top. Bargaining instructions for the FABLLI New York. And
Shane
here's
has
a three
that.
for Sean. Oh, what a rebound by Armario.
Mario doing work for FABLLI, proving to be a steady force on the inside.
Here's Erickson Cruz blocked
What
by
a block
Nugget.
from Nugget.
That's a foul on Miko.
Ang ganda ng activity ni Nugget. Intangibles din. Drew the charge to end the quarter and now starting it off with a block.
Yes, ito yung replay.
Nugget's skying up.
That's her 0107 Management Group Incorporated last block of the quarter. Ay, grabe, yung intangibles talaga yung mga hindi mo makikita sa sa stats. Pero ang laki ng natutulong sa game.
And
Here's
now,
Erickson Cruz, Kanta. Kanta spins, jumper is good.
beautiful move and turnaround jumper from Kanta.
Wow.
Tignan mo naman, bro. Si Orbina checks out and checking in is Villanueva, another star in the making for FABLLI New York.
Yes. And there's a rebound for Lopez.
Villanueva, a hometown hero here as well in Pampanga.
Local pala siya dito. And here's Erickson Cruz. Jumper, it's no good. Shane with the rebound, passes to Speedy. Here is Julian for Dre. Short. Here's Speedy again. What a pass. Sayang, di nagka-amo yan si John Villanueva, si Ethan.
Masyado maganda yung no-look kahit si John hindi nakatingin.
Oo, hindi nakatingin. Sayang. Pero again, look at the activity of Ethan Villanueva. Ethan Lakindanum.
Just doing a little bit of everything for FABLLI New York here. It's going to be a review.
We have
the officials.
Official review. Our score is 13-6 as FABLLI New York are up by 7 points against the NYBL Boss League. I'm just gonna wait for the decision of the referees kung ano.
NYBL Boss League is going to want to get back to this game. Obviously, just a 7-point lead. We're going to want to see more activity from Paul De La Cruz, one of the leading scorers of this NYBL team. It's going to be NYBL ball here.
Yun, natapek. Unsuccessful. Hindi pala natapek.
Comes Erickson Cruz.
Here is steal for the FABLLI New York.
Great steal there by Villanueva.
That Julian Caldejon to Sean. Here is Speedy. Speedy down the lane. Fouled by Ramos. Justin Ramos.
Just great intent from Ethan Lakindanum. When he gets into the hole, hindi talaga siya natatakot, doesn't slow down, full speed ahead.
Kita natin yung activity nito ni Ethan Lakindanum. Sure ako, siya talaga ang leader ng team na to. Now, Ethan Lakindanum at the line, shooting 2 free throws for the FABLLI New York.
In and out on the first there.
Got 1 minute and 21 seconds for the first quarter of the second game of 9 games ngayong araw.
Alam mo, Nix, I spoke to Coach Joby before their very first game. And when I asked him, Coach, ano yung expectations mo coming into this tournament? And he looked me straight in the eye and said, to win it all.
Oh.
What do you think about that?
Maganda yun kasi naibibigay mo yung ano eh, naipapasa mo yung gigil mo na manalo sa mga players mo. And because of that, I think na natatranslate nila eh.
Oo. And kita mo rin, parang sa performance nila, kaya rin ata nila eh. One of the more established teams here.
Saka settled sila eh. They never panic katulad nung ano. Yung...
Si Shane Lacandano knocking down a 3.
Going back to the topic, there's a steal by here's Speedy. A steal by FABLLI New York. Score is 18-6.
Pag in a groove na yung backcourt nila, they're so hard to stop with the Lacandano cousins and Caldejon leading the way.
Here's Nash Ramirez. We got 15 seconds to go. Here's Speedy!
The hope in the arm for Ethan Lacandano. Flex on him.
Ginawa ni Ethan. Hindi madaling gawin nun, pero hindi siya nag-celebrate. All business. Here's our CDO. Lakas drive of the quarter.
He just drives with that unrelenting spirit. Kita mo, wala siyang fear eh. Goes straight into the defender's body.
Walang reaction, trabaho lang talaga. The score is 21-28. We have 10 seconds remaining. There's Canta to Ramirez. Extra pass to Ramos. Ramos with 2 seconds. Here's a heave. No good. And at the end of the first quarter, score is 21-28. FABLLI New York up by 13 points. Here's your first quarter highlights.
It was all action from the three-headed monster of FABLLI New York. The Lacandano cousins and Julian Caldejon just proving to be a little bit too much here for NYBL. Let's see how they respond.
Kailangan na nilang ma-stop. If they stop, for me ang nakikita ko dito, if they stop Ethan Lacandano, they have a big chance on winning this game.
Not an easy task.
Yeah. Siya kasi yung yung facilitator ng team eh.
Siya yung engine ng team eh, no?
Kaya mahirap din talagang mawala si Ethan Lacandano. And because of that, magbabalik po ang inyong Sinag Liga Asya.
As said by Coach Joby Calderon of FABLLI New York, lahat ng players ay susubukan niya ipasok and play the full court defense because they noticed that on their last game, the opponent are aggressive and they will try to control the tempo and execute their play on the match. Now, back to you, Nico and Martin.
Thank you. Thank you, Kim. Kailangan talagang makontrol yung tempo and yun tingin kong ginagawa ni Steven. There's a foul on the FABLLI New York.
Great aggressiveness being shown by Paul De La Cruz.
Ito yung sinasabi mo kanina and I think you've been telling this for the past games na pag hindi ka nakakashoot sa labas, let's try to force ourselves inside.
Exactly.
And that's what Paul De La Cruz did.
And si Paul, kahit may shooting siya, and I said this for this last game as well for Goza, just coming into the post, if you have the size, may advantage ka naman eh. So why not draw the foul and get some rhythm going for yourself?
Yeah, here's Julian Caldejon for 3. No good. Kainta with the rebound. We have 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining and mukhang imimilk nila itong matchup na to. Here's De La Cruz, power move.
Beautiful
is
move
good.
From Paul De La Cruz, just imposing his will in the paint.
Kailangan magkaroon ng lunas ang FABLLI New York kasi imimilk nila ng imimilk yung matchup na yan. And they and the NYBL Boss League, tingin nila meron silang advantage doon.
As Urbina loses the ball there.
There's a turnover for Justin Ramos.
Justin Ramos, another one of those intense players for NYBL. Let's see if he can get going after A short break from Justin Ramos here, taking the seat.
So here's your cable link. Last move of the quarter.
Oh, love the action from Paul De La Cruz.
Yeah, Villanueva. Yan ang favorite shot niya.
Oh, specialty of the house yan ni Jan Villanueva.
One-handed floater. There's a pass of Villacruel. Foul on Speedy, I guess. Yes, it will be the second personal foul of Ethan Lakindanum. I want to applaud Ethan Lakindanum. Tingin ko yung work ethic nitong batang to pag off-season, sobrang taas eh. Hindi siya humihinga sa bibig oh. Sa
Hindi talaga siya napapagod. And he was one of the few players from yesterday's coverage that even on the second, third game, kita mo parang wala lang eh. Same pace.
Parehong-pareho lang yung ginagawa niya for both teams.
And you can tell from his build as well that he obviously puts in a lot of work and takes care of his body.
And again, I want to greet everybody who's here in the venue watching it live. So yan, pwede rin kayo mag-date dito, pwede kayo manood pag wala kayong ginagawa. And again, it's a Friday. So,
what better way to spend the weekend, diba? But with us, me and Nico Arsiaga, baby boy.
The adorable Martin Diaz. We got Paul De La Cruz running the break for
Heat
NYBL.
check here for Paul.
There's Ramirez. Putback is good.
Good effort there by
Score
Ramirez.
Is 21-14.
Just like that, a 7-point lead here.
Dito natin mararamdaman na wala na si Speedy.
Oo.
There's Armario Mico.
Great two-man action there from Villanueva and Mico Armario, the two local players of FABLLI New York.
Ang ganda ng composition ng team na to for the FABLLI New York.
Oo.
Merong big man na finesse, may big man na may brute force, and they have shooters all around.
Almost built like a collegiate team, FABLLI New York.
Isipin mo yan. Tsaka to si John Villanueva kasi hindi rin siya mapilit sa ilalim. I mean, if you're open, you're just going to take it.
He plays his role absolutely perfectly.
Yeah, nakatulad niyan. Nakakuha siya ng foul.
John Leon Villanueva is a worker.
Yes.
Ina-outwork lang niya talaga yung mga ka-box out niya. Even if he's not the most imposing force.
And again, John Leon Villanueva. Jomel Puno.
Jomel Puno.
If you're watching, this is your mirror.
Oo, si Twin.
Because of the haircut, kung paano maglaro.
Actually, akala ko rin, si John Leon Villanueva, akala ko Phil-Am siya. Yun pala taga Pampanga, homegrown.
Ang kinausap natin siya yesterday, sinabi niyang taga-local. Here's Mico Almario with the putback. No!
In and out.
Paul De La Cruz.
May angas din si Paul De La Cruz
may
no?
swagger no? Sabi niya, akin na itong rebound na to. Subukan yung subukan yung sumundot.
They got a mismatch there and Paul De La Cruz, they don't see it though.
Here's a three-point try, no good. Gaita. Stolen by Villanueva. Here's Mario. Offensive foul.
A little bit of a ward off there from Mico Armario as he pleads in disbelief.
The score is 23-14. We have a 9-point lead by the FABLLI New York. 5 minutes and 14 seconds remaining for the first half. Again, this is day 3 of competition. We have the NYBL Boss League wearing their white jersey and FABLLI New York with the blue jersey.
To your point, Meeks, I love that you pointed out. I love the rotation that Coach Jody has been doing. Balance talaga yung minutes for most of his players.
Oo. There's a foul by John Leon Villanueva. Yan ang isa sa kailangan niyang matutunan. Yung defense.
Stay down.
Oo, kailangan niya maging patient on defense. Kasi dahil nga payat siya, the offensive player will always try to melt the matchup. So kailangan lang niyang, I mean, mahaba ang kamay niya. He doesn't need to jump to get a block.
I 100% agree. For John Leon Villanueva, his athleticism kumbaga, he needs to pick his moments.
Tama.
Not just jump at every single ball fake. Especially si Paul De La Cruz, kahit bata lang to, veterano tong gumalaw eh.
May move na si Paul De La Cruz eh.
Oo.
And again, dito natin mapapatunayan that the generation nowadays are really evolving. Kasi big man to eh, pero merong guard skills.
I want to see NYBL continue to go to Paul De La Cruz at the post. It's been really effective for them so far.
Yeah. And there's a foul on Sean Lakindanom. Oh, ang aga na penalty ng FABLLI New York.
Usually a non-fouling team as well, but Paul De La Cruz has just been imposing his will inside and drawing a lot of fouls early on for NBYL.
Oo. We got 4 minutes of 45 seconds. Penalty na po ang FABLLI New York. Most probably medyo babagal yung game natin. Since, unless hindi sila pa-foul. Pero most probably babagal to kasi penalty na and they're going to make so much free throws.
Another bruiser here for NYBL is number 13, John Lopez.
The team
missing
captain.
the second shot there.
But he gets the ball back for the NYBL Boss League. Here's Villacruel, layup, no good!
Si Paul De La Cruz. Dinedemand niya yung bola but his teammates didn't give it to him then.
Gandang matchup to.
Oo.
A worker on offense and the dark horse on defense on Nugget. Tingnan natin kung paano ang magiging matchup. Since ang ginagawa, ang mukhang ang defense naman ngayon ng NY Boss League is, I think this is a 1-3-1 zone.
1-3-1 na naman.
Oo.
Trying to get rid of the shooting here of FABLLI.
Speedy.
You can see that dunker
Nugget.
spot is open.
Yeah. We have Shane. There's Speedy. No.
Ill-advised pass there.
Yeah. There's Lopez running the break. Oh, that's a foul on Nugget.
Medyo out of control din si John Lopez doon. A little bit of a bailout foul here.
Oo. Okay na eh. Nagpa-fumble na si Lopez eh. And again, we have NYBL Boss League shooting 2 free throws.
The captain ball, John Lopez, helping the case here for NYBL Boss League as they try to mount this comeback. 7-point lead.
Yeah, Arzel Lopez. Short.
Great
Here's
effort by Paul De La
Paul
Cruz.
De La Cruz. Here's Villacruel for 3. Lopez with a rebound.
Ayan na po.
Oo.
The big men of NYBL taking advantage here. And doon yung lamang nila eh.
Oo.
The inside presence eh.
Kaya kailangan nila i-milk talaga yun.
Oo.
At tingin ko, right now, FABLLI New York having trouble with the zone. There's Nugget, one-hander, no good. John Villanueva trying to get the rebound. Now we have Villacruel. No good, there's Julian.
Good foul there.
Yeah, to stop the fast break.
Oo.
Swerte siya, di siya tinawagan ng advantage foul doon.
On FABLLI's end against the 1-3-1, yung mga short corner or the open spots.
Short corners doon, kailangan na nilang manotice yun.
Oh, so being able to get there via either post entry in the pinch post or from the wing. So John Leon Villanueva gonna have to be active there in that dunker spot.
Oo. Ganda ng ano mo doon, napansin mo doon. Kasi again, this is a 1-3-1 zone. Mas mabilis ang bola. 1-2-2 na silang
1-2-2
hold
na
niyan.
sila ngayon. So open yung middle ni Urbina.
Yes. There's
Kasi
Nugget.
Nugget pala.
Kailangan lang nila ma-finish.
Oo.
They just need to finish.
That's the right play right there.
Villacruel.
na naman.
Gaita. Here is offensive foul yun.
The disbelief of Paul De La Cruz. A little bit too aggressive there for Paul De La Cruz.
Here's the replay. The full attack. Lakas grab of the rebound of the quarter. That's the rebound for Arzel Lopez. Magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Case.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
We are now back from the GUIAO Convention Center here in the culinary city of the Philippines, San Fernando, Pampanga. I want to greet everybody who came out today to watch the games live. Yan, iba-iba ang nationality na nakikita natin.
Nagiging international tournament
Oo.
talaga tong SLA Junior World Showcase.
And we also want to invite the other teams na kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng exposure, yung mga anak, mga pamangkin, and this is the right platform to do so. Here's Shane for 3. Butter for Shane Lakindanom.
Si Shane Lakindanom, smooth operator talaga siya.
And again, ito yung babasag sa zone defense eh. You need to make the 3-pointers or the jumpers.
And I think that's been one of the biggest difference makers here for FABLLI New York. Yung shooting nila just from the main 3 players. It just spreads the floor so much for our Mario and people like John Leon Villanueva to operate.
We got AJ Lopez with the putback. The score is 26-20. We got 4 minutes and 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Here is Julian for 3. Butter!
Back-to-back threes here for FABLLI New York.
For Julian Caldejon.
Meron
There's
kang,
a steal by Shane.
kung meron kang players like the Lakindanom cousins and Julian Caldejon, hindi ka talaga magpapanik eh.
Oo. Totoo yan. They may be... Here's Caldejon for 3.
Again,
Butter.
Julian plays for Division 3
Oo.
school in the
Wow.
United States. So providing that veteran presence here for FABLLI New York.
Yes, totoo yan. Isipin mo, at an age of, I think, 19 or 18, veteran ka na because of the experience you're getting from other leagues. Here's Shane Lakindanom sinking in the first free throw. Yung iba kasi ang napapansin nila, yung scoring lang ng magpinsan sa ni Julian eh. Pero under the radar yung ano nila, defense nila.
Oo. I mean, they're not, kumbaga hindi sila yung pinakamakulit, but they always make the right plays on defense. And ang galing nila mag-trap.
Yes. Kasi nga, matatagal na sila magkakasama.
Oo.
They've been playing 10 years old pa lang ata sila, sabi ng mom ni Julian. We got a steal by Speedy. Here is Speedy down the lane. Layup is good.
Grabe talaga si Ethan Lakindanom. Steady na steady talaga.
We have Gaita bringing down the ball for the NYBL Boss League. He takes a jumper. No good. Nico Armario with the rebound.
Medyo lumamig na rin dito yung NYBL Boss League.
Oo. Dito mo naman, hindi nagmamadali ito si Julian eh.
Great steal there from Angeles.
There's Angeles, short layup.
Awkward fall there from Angeles. Medyo na flat tire siya dun sa sa take-off niya.
Hindi nag-take off yung aeroplano eh.
Oo. Naubusan natin ng gas.
Score is 33-20. Here's the replay of what transpired earlier. Oh.
Seems like
Actually, I could say that Angeles really sold that call.
nag-extra motion pa si Angeles.
The first free throw is good for Kyle Angeles. Parang binangga ng Kung paano natumba si Kyle, parang binangga ng...
But Angeles here providing some good minutes for Coach Boots Armando.
Yes. We got Ethan now instructing the play for the FABLLI New York as they are up 33-22. Good move by Speedy. Here's a kick out. Turnover for
Another
Shane.
steal
They got
caused by
3
Angeles.
seconds. Gainta, up and under, no good. And that's the end of the second quarter.
Sayang.
As FABLLI New York are up 33-22 over the NYBL Boss League.
Nagkaka-stops na rin yung NYBL, hindi lang nakaka-convert.
Yan ang magandang yan ang magandang mangyayari sa NYBL Boss League. Here's your second quarter highlights. Brought to you by Sinag, Liga, Asya, Junior World Showcase, Delta Cup. At the end of first half, FABLLI New York 33, NYBL 22. Magbabalik po ang Sinag, Liga, Asya, Junior World Showcase.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Oh! Yan na naman siya. Kalma lang tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Yan na naman siya. Kalma lang tayo. Foul away from the
You're still watching SLA Junior World Showcase. Now, before we move on to our second half, I am beside Jovi Caldejon, head coach of FABLLI New York. Now, first of all po, good morning or should I say good afternoon po. Now, my question is, nasabi niyo po sa akin na collaboration yung pagbuo niyo ng team niyo po. And paano po kayo nakuha as a head coach of FABLLI New York?
We have a collaboration with our PABLLI group in New York. I have my own Husay basketball in New Jersey. So we have to collaborate in our players because I have some players from New Jersey and also to have some players from New York area also.
Now, may gusto po ba kayong batiin or pasalamatan sa mga nanonood po?
I just want to say hi to all our New Jersey family, Husay, the PABLLI New York, and also the East Coast, New Jersey, New York, and the tri-state area.
Now, that's it for our second halftime interview. Now, back to you, Nico and Martin.
Thank you, Kim. At the half, FABLLI New York are up 33-22 against the NYBL Boss League. So, yan. They have 11 points. Ang makita natin dito yung halftime highlights natin.
So si Coach Joby, kita mo talaga, community building is what he did over in the tri-state area. So shout out to Coach Joby Caldejon. You see here another great move by Kanta.
Yes.
So what can, parang ngayon, yung FABLLI in control of the ball game. Let's see, what can we expect here from NYBL?
Yes. More, for me, more touches for Paul De La Cruz.
Oo.
Kasi nakita niya, meron talaga tayong malaking advantage inside. And this is your halftime stats. Laki ng
Poor shooting here from NYBL Boston, just 29%. Having some struggle shooting from 3 as well, but FABLLI New York also not the best at 36%.
Pero makita mo dito yung activity ng NYBL Boss League. They have 23 rebounds to 20. At saka yung bench points.
Oo.
Malaking factor sa kanila na nagkakaroon sila ng options sa bench. And here are your leading scorers at the half. You have Shane with 11 points and Julian with 8.
Uminit na rin talaga si Shane sa second quarter. Obviously, some balanced scoring here from NYBL, but as you mentioned, we want to see Paul De La Cruz heat up a little bit more in the second half.
Actually, kinausap ko siya nung halftime. Sabi ko, additional, di ko alam kung magiging additional sa kanya yun. Additional motivation na pag nakashoot siya ng 3 points, barilin tayo. So makikita natin kung titira siya ng 3 points on the second half. Here's a short jumper for Ethan Lakindanom as they extend the lead 35-22. FABLLI New York up by 13 points. Here's Lopez again fouled by
magkapatid ata to ni si Argel Lopez with John Lopez, number 13.
Yeah.
Parehas sila ng build no?
Oo. Tingnan natin mamaya, ipatanong natin kay Kim or kay Francine kung mayroong magkapatid dito sa NYBL Boss League. We got Lopez at the line, shooting 2 free throws. First free throw is no good.
What I've been seeing for NYBL is may advantage talaga sa bigs.
size.
So I think going into the post more often will be just to the benefit of NYBL if they want to come back in this game.
Natin. For me, i-milk or i-execute natin ng inside presence na NYBL Boss League.
2 in and outs there.
Yeah, Speedy running the break. Here's Shane for 3.
Baka mainit pa to.
Butter for Shane. Lakindanom.
Si Shane, very nonchalant and calming presence lang siya for FABLLI.
And that's going to be a traveling for
yung
NYBL Boss League.
Hindi mo akalain 14 points na siya. Top scorer pala ng ball game.
A silent 14 points for Shane Lakindanom. Feeling ko saray na siyang nakakashoot eh.
Yun na nga eh.
Siguro kung ako nga yun, baka hanggang mamaya pa ako nakasmile. Here is Armario. What a
Beautiful
great pass. And one.
Steady na rin talaga si itong Nico Armario.
And again, hindi rin maliit to They're actually big.
Oo. Great
This is
second
your,
jump there.
Fully tech, lakas, grab of the quarter for Nico Almario.
Nico Mario showing the touch as well from the free throw line. Again, the main center here for FABLLI and proven to be a big asset here for Coach Joby.
Yes, we have Erickson Cruz now trying his best. Oh, what a shot.
Beautiful
for Erickson.
shot there from Erickson.
Parang tumigil eh.
Oo.
Saka tinira, no? Nakaikot na.
Great shot there from Erickson against the tough defense of Ethan Lacandanom.
There's Ethan, jumper. Yes, sir!
What a beautiful mid-range jumper. Sabi ni Ethan, whatever you can do.
I can do better. Sabi nga ni Speedy. And for those who are watching at the home or at work, we have live stream on Facebook and on YouTube.
Shoutout din po sa lahat po nanonood from Bataan. That's actually my hometown province as well. So shout out to all the viewers from Bataan supporting their NYBL Boss League team.
Now the league is up 46-26.
Mismatch here.
Here's the mismatch. Here's Erickson Cruz for three. No good. Here comes Speedy. Speeding down the court. Oh, between the legs
Beautiful
pass to
pass.
Shea. Yes, sir!
Shane Lacandanom is on fire, folks.
Yes, sir! Butter for Shane Lacandanom.
The cousin connection again.
Here is a dipsy-do for Justin Ramos.
Dalawang kamay yung ginamit niya pang layup, oh.
Sorry. Dalawang kamay yung layup eh.
Grabe yung pectus nun.
Here's Shane again.
Shane Lacandanom is feeling himself. This is the most emotion I've seen Shane show in this whole tournament.
Kahit si Speedy, kapasigaw eh. And here's the replay. First, the three-point lakas stress by Sunsport. Quarter. Lakas stress of the quarter for both Lacandanom.
You love to see the camaraderie between the Lacandanom cousins and just all of their teammates. You can tell close talaga sila eh.
The lead has now ballooned into a 23-point lead.
So si Shane is actually looking for college too and pwede siya. Kasi consistent shooter eh.
Yes, tsaka mga 3-and-D guy ito eh, si Shane eh.
Shane, the older cousin of the Lacandanom.
Tsaka may size din siya, hindi siya maliit. So again, for those who are watching at home, the scouts who are watching, baka pwede nyo makonsider to.
This whole starting five ng FABLLI New York, pwede sila pang college eh.
Yes, what a sidestep move by Erickson Cruz.
Si Erickson Cruz medyo gumigiliw na.
Nahanap na yung groove niya eh. There's Speedy.
Showing the handles there. Magaling na defender tong si Angeles ha. Even if he got the foul, disruptive siya.
Tsaka mahaba kasi yung kamay eh. Ang haba ng wingspan.
Foul on the floor here.
Foul on Argel Lopez. We got a substitution. Fernand Villacruel coming in for NYBL.
Quality minutes din yung binigyan ni Angeles for Coach Boots.
Here's Speedy again. We'll try
signature of the house na naman.
Yes, sir!
Nothing
One
but
dribble
net.
pull-up.
The fundamentals are sound for Speedy Lacandanom.
Meron ako isang comparison sa sa NBA. Pero retired na yan eh.
Sino?
Si Devin Harris.
Ay, oo,
from
pwede.
New Jersey. Ganun na ganun. One dribble pull-up.
Similar jump shot as well.
And one for Julian Caldejon.
Si Julian, silent assassin talaga to eh. Silent but deadly eh. Beautiful sidestepping move with a jelly.
Yes. Isipin mo, daan-daan lang nilang hindi isang bagsakan nilang tinambakan eh. Dahan-dahan. Score is 55-30. FABLLI New York now up by 25 points.
I gotta tip my hat off to Coach Joby Caldejon and the Husay basketball team that they have in the Tri-State area. Ang galing ng player development nila.
Here's Migo Armario. Again, kung maganda ang system, the players will
Wow,
follow. Yeah.
What a defensive play from Ethan
Inalon
Lacandano. Skying in the air.
Inalon ni Ethan eh. Again, if the system is good, magpa-flourish talaga yung players. At again, ang magpa-flourish doon yung players, hindi yung coach actually.
Yes, that is the saying, right? The players get all the credit.
Ang taas ng turnovers ng NYBL. They already have 12 turnovers to 7 lang ng FABLLI New York. Tapos yung points of turnovers, dahil nga madami ang turnover, ang daming points of turnovers ng FABLLI New York. They have 19 points from turnovers ng NYBL Boss League. So, again, from the top of our coverage, sinasabi natin, mag-ingat sila dito sa FABLLI New York kasi they feed of the turnovers.
They cause havoc in a very calm manner.
Yes.
Kasi yung style nila is inaabangan nila yung extra pass. When you have players like Speedy, Lacandano, akala mo naka-help side lang tapos bigla intercepted.
Oo, tama yan. Totoo. Kaya isa yan sa, for those who are watching na nagsascout sa kanila, mag-ingat kayo sa turnovers kasi malaking factor yan. Villa Cruel.
Beautiful move.
Shot
from Villa Cruel, the show and go.
Yeah. Pass fake into a 1-2 step.
You just feel though that NYBL has to bleed for their points every single time. Parang yung mga tira ng FABLLI, ang dali lang eh.
Yun nga. Papahirapan ng scoring ng dito, NYBL Boss League. There's a steal by
highlight
FABLLI
play coming up.
Oh.
Just that relentlessness.
Now, the
from the
lead
guards
is ballooned into 28 points.
Just like that. Parang nung tumingin ako, 10 points lang yun eh.
Here's Lopez. Layup is good.
Beautiful extension
for
there
Argel
from Lopez. Just a full-on clinic here from FABLLI New York.
Speedy sidestep. Yes, sir!
My goodness, that is a professional move.
Yeah.
From Ethan Lacandano.
Napakahirap ng galaw na yun.
Pace to the step back. Beautiful pass from Villa Cruel.
Yes, sir.
Medyo
Ramos.
Gumigiliw na rin dito si Villa Cruel. Pero the lead at 24. See what they can do here.
There's someone down.
Mukhang si Paul de la Cruz ata to.
Makikita naman natin kung ano nangyari kay Paul de la Cruz. Pero obviously, sakit eh. Sakit na sakit siya eh.
Hope he's alright.
And again, we would like to thank Governor Dennis Delta Pineda for putting up a league like this. Hopefully, laging merong ganito. Para lagi din kaming nandito ni Martin.
Obviously, been such an amazing experience and pleasure as we see this replay.
Oh, there's a hit by Almario.
Siningit ni Armario. A little, may konting delayed reaction, pero nonetheless, again, the type of activity that we don't want to see here in Sinag Liga Asya Junior.
Again, we don't want to see any extracurricular activity.
Disqualifying foul.
Oh, that's going to be big.
Big blow here for FABLLI New York. Main center of FABLLI New York, Nico Armario, ejected from the ball game.
Again, ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko dun sa first game natin. Hindi naman kailangan kasi ang laki ng lamang.
Exactly.
64-38. Kung tinamaan ka ni De La Cruz,
play on.
Hindi naman nakakabawas ang pagiging player yun kung hindi ka babawi. And you're up and you're playing well.
Exactly.
And everybody's watching you. There's scouts everywhere.
Exactly.
I mean, yung value mo as a player, bababa yun.
Is it worth it at the end of the day?
Not worth it at all.
And
there's a hit. Yung sinabi mong, Martin, delayed reaction si Paul de la Cruz. Sakit yun eh. Kasi hintayin mong mawala yung paghinga mo. Tapos bilang nag-contract yung muscle.
And again, I want to send this message out, especially to the young hoopers.
Yes.
At the end of the day, it's, as Nico mentioned, there are always people watching.
Yes.
And reputations grow so easily, especially here in the Philippines. It's not worth it, especially for your basketball career.
Yes. Hindi worth it yun.
Miko Armario, such a talented individual.
Sayang. Same with Owens Boza. Goza. And again, sayang eh. You've been playing very well. Tapos may ganun para maano ka. And again, it's very unfortunate for both parties.
And of course, as we say this, Nico, to Owen Goza and Miko Armario, we say this from a loving place. Of course, we want you
we're not bashing you or
to grow, and we believe in you, and that's why we encourage you to continue in this maturation process.
Totoo. Ayaw lang namin siguro, don't take that comment as parang masama, pero we want to grow more. For now, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim.
During their huddle, Coach Ariel Ison of NYBL Boss League said na kailangan nilang i-adjust ang kanilang defense dahil napapansin niya na natatalo sila ng kalaban sa outside shooting. So they have to make an adjustment for this. Now, will Coach Ariel Ison game plan will work on our second half? Now, back to you, Nico and Martin.
Yun, yes. Kailangan nilang magkaroon ng malaking adjustment on defense. And thank you for that wonderful report, Kim. Again, I want to give a shout out to everybody who's watching at home and or at work.
Medyo tumataas na rin dito yung defensive pressure ng NYBL boss. 25-point lead here. Let's see what they can do if they can mount a miracle comeback.
Here's Shane. To Nugget, not ready for that pass.
Kala ni Nugget, tira na si Shane.
Sanay din sila actually. Minsan sanasanay din sila na ititira na ni Shane yan eh. And they're going up for the rebound. And again, score is 64-39. We have 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Villacruel.
That's going to be a
Ill-advised pass
turnover.
there.
This is day 3 of competition. Dito sa Sinag, Liga, Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup 2024.
You'd love to see the NYBL boss swing the rock a little bit more, get into their offense.
We have Mix Ignacio getting the rebound. Tip from behind by Gaita. Gaita drives, layup, no good. And tipped out by Shane Lakindanom.
Again, yung NYBL boss, parang hirap na hirap sila mag-score. All of their shots are coming off these one-on-one drives. You'd love to see a little bit more continuity amongst the team.
Yeah. Kaya hats off to the FABLLI New York's defense. Wala talagang let up eh. Kahit 64-39 ang score natin with 44 seconds remaining. Wow, what a
Beautiful
spin!
drop step there from Shane Lakindanom. Again, it speaks volume to the skill level of this team. Si Shane, outside shooter siya, pero may post-game din siya eh.
And again, I have to say this on air. Our appreciation on, kasi I mean, Shane Lakindanom is skilled, pero he doesn't demand the ball. He is trusting the system ni Coach Joby na at the end of the play, saka na malalaglag yung bola. Pero I never saw him clap sa teammates na asking for the ball. Wala siyang ganun.
Such a good point, Nix. I completely agree. You just feel that as we see a steal here by Villacruel, you just feel like yung FABLLI New York, they trust in the system eh. Kumbaga lahat ng score nila pasok eh. Pasok sa yung gusto ni Coach Joby for them.
Jump ball. The ball stays with the NY Boss League.
Some good activity here from number 23, Villacruel.
And again, kahit ganito kalaki yung lamang, you have to finish strong. Kasi madadala mo yan. Here's Lopez for 3. Yes, sir!
Banks open from the corner.
Got 10 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Here is Kobe. No good. Ramos with the rebound. Got Lopez.
Unaware of the clock there.
Yes, unaware. At the end of the third quarter, score is FABLLI New York 66. NYBL 43. The lead is now ballooned into 23 big points. Here's your third quarter highlights.
Beautiful move there from Erickson Cruz.
There's Speedy.
Pero nagsalitan lang sila. Ito naman yung quarter ni Speedy.
Yes.
Lakindanom.
This is where actually the nag-pull ano eh.
Pull away. No?
Ito yung 3 points kung saan napasigaw yung magpinsan.
That was the between the legs pass there.
Yan. Magbabalik po
Ethan.
ang Sinag Liga Asya para sa ating fourth quarter. Coming right up.
Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality print.
We are now back to the ball game as the FABLLI New York has the first possession. Oh, the favorite move.
Specialty of the house yan ni
By
John Leon Villanueva.
John Leon Villanueva. Here's the replay.
John Leon Villanueva. That touch around the rim is just I think for me, my favorite thing about John Leon Villanueva.
Meron siyang go-to move. Merong go-to move si John Leon Villanueva. Here's a nice pass to Lopez. Here's a good move by Julian. We got Justin Ramos with the rebound.
Great activity from Justin Ramos controlling
Kailangan
the
lang
boards.
nila maglaro dito. What a defense by Speedy.
Dunk naman dyan!
Top board muna.
Ethan Lacandanam just proving to be a force here in
Yes.
Sinag Liga Asya Juniors.
We have Gaita. To Villa Cruel for 3. Butter!
Si Villa Cruel, umiinit na rin dito for NYBL boss.
Oo.
Some quality minutes here for Coach Butz. Magic bunot si
Oo.
Villa Cruel.
Kailangan lang nila maglaro dito.
Oo.
71-48. They are down just 23 points. Here's Shane. Jumper.
Kita mo talaga si Shane, si Julian at si Ethan. They can just hurt you in so many ways.
Yes,
You have to
oo.
pick your poison with them.
Nahanap nila kung saan yung yung weak points ng defense. That's why ang dali-dali sa kanilang makashoot.
I'm not really seeing any holes in their offensive game.
Yeah. There's Shane for 3. Butter!
Put it on a slice of toast. Shane Lacandanum is just going off in this game.
Grabe. Here's Erickson Cruz. Erickson to Gaita. Jumper. Short. We got Gaita getting the rebound. Oh!
A little bit of offensive interference there. No call by the referees. Paul De La
Paul De La
Cruz.
Cruz. 3 points. No good. Hindi ata naging motivation nung sinabi kong bumaril dito. Here's Shane.
Is that gonna be a dunk?
John Villanueva.
We've been pleading to John Villanueva to try and dunk the
Yes.
ball kasi nandun na siya.
Erickson Cruz. We're asking sa mga nakakita sa amin sa live, ina-ask namin si John Villanueva.
It's gonna be a flagrant foul here. Medyo nagkakainitan na dito.
Again, we don't need this. Masyado nang malayo ang
A little frustration settling in here for NYBL boss.
Yeah. Please lang, wag din nating sundan yung ginawa ni Miko Almario. Come on, Paul. You're better than this.
And si Paul De La Cruz din kasi, I mean, it didn't seem too intense. Oh, that third one there, just a really intentional elbow there to the face. Seems like it's going to be a disqualifying foul here.
So many things happening.
Paul De La Cruz.
And again,
Paul De La Cruz
unnecessary
out
here
of the playing board.
for Paul De La Cruz, the top scorer of the NYBL Boss League. You just have to wonder why.
Yeah. And again, I think that's frustrations coming in for Paul De La Cruz. A disqualifying foul.
And again, it's a shame because you only have so many games to be played here in Sinag Liga Asya. Obviously for their kids, these kids are still young, but they need to see the bigger picture. This is an opportunity for them to showcase their talents to all the scouts watching.
Here's Kobe Urbina. Missing. Again, for those who are watching the games live, as much as we want na wag magganon mangyari talaga yun. And kami dito sa panel, wala kami masabi. I mean,
sayang lang din talaga. Sayang yung opportunity.
We can't do anything para wag mangyari yun. It's going to happen.
But of course, for these players, you want them to flourish and showcase their abilities. And you can't do that if you're ejected from the ballgame.
Yeah. And again, Paul De La Cruz will hit the showers now. Here's Urbina.
Another three from Shane.
No good.
Pero kita mo talaga sa bato ni Shane Lacandano, lahat ng tira niya, kala mo pasok eh.
Totoo. Totoo yan. Coach Joby, hindi pa umupo yan, ha?
Coach Joby dedicated.
Yeah.
To this
Kahit
team.
77-48 ng score natin. We got 29-point lead by the FABLLI New York. There's a drive. Shot fake. There's Angeles. To Ramos. Ramos. Jumper is good.
Beautiful jumper there from Justin Ramos.
Justin Ramos.
Proving that he has that mid-range jumper on lock.
You got Julian Caldejon. To Shane. Here's Speedy. Speedy jumper. Short. Here's Corby Urbina. To Kyle Angeles. Here's Angeles down the break. Lea, yes sir!
Grabe naman yun. The up and under from number 12, Kyle Angeles. Si Angeles at si Villa Cruel coming up big here for NYBL.
Yes, here's your CDO, lakas drive of the quarter. The food that brings you home. CDO, baka naman.
Baka may libreng hotdog dyan.
Oo nga. CDO, I know you're watching right now. Baka naman.
Of course, a big shout out to all the major sponsors here making this SLA Junior World Showcase possible.
Delta Cup possible. We want to thank everybody from the staff, from the producers, from director. Direk,
big shout out kay Direk.
Saka sa aming floor director dito sa tabi namin.
Parang may silver lining din here for the NYBL boss. Some players who didn't really produce in the first few games coming up big here.
Yes,
against FABLLI New York.
Oh, what a no-look pass.
Beautiful pass.
Oh, as he bricks it. We have a... Here's...
Inadverted elbow ata yung nabigay kay...
Hindi naman sinasadya.
Kay Justin Ramos.
Justin Ramos down, but not out. And here's the replay.
Ayun, inadverted elbow. Hindi naman sadya.
Hindi nga sadya. But again, huwag na sana natin palalain.
Official review here.
With the official review, wala pong nakitang mali siya ang ating mga referees. Pababa kasi siya John Villanueva. Naghanap siya na makakapitan.
Aksidente lang talaga.
Angeles, yeah. There's Gaita.
Comes Caldejon.
Here is a 3-point try by Shane Butter!
Mainit na rin talaga si Shane Lakindanom.
Oo.
Shane, probably with his best game so far in the tournament.
Pumutok siya ngayon. And again, nakikita natin yung composition ng team ng FABLLI New York. Kung sinong mainit, let them shoot. Finifeed lang natin ang finifeed eh. So,
Shane Lakindanom. The whole game, nung umpisa pa lang, mainit na eh.
Kanta coming in for Gaita.
Gumagana ata yung tapsilog dito sa Pampanga para kay Shane Lakindanom.
Again, and this is the culinary city of the Philippines. So, culinary capital of the Philippines. So, masarap talagang pagkain dito. Hindi naman tatawagin ng culinary capital to for nothing. And here's Villanueva again!
Specialty of the house.
Favorite move.
Pag nasa painted area si John Leon Villanueva and he gets into that floater, it's really tough to stop.
Yes, totoo yan, totoo yan. Here's your cable link, lakas move of the quarter.
Jomel Puno Jr.
With a 20 peso haircut. Parang gilid lang binawasan kay kay John Villanueva eh.
John Villanueva, and I feel like he's still gonna grow. Another exciting player to watch out for here in Sinag Liga Asya Jr.
Tinan mo, hindi pa rin nagle-let down ng FABLLI New York kahit 29 points na. Here's Kyle Angeles. Low pick up. Here's a 3 for Lopez. No good. Julian. To Kobe. To Shane for 3.
Heat check.
Butter!
Oh my goodness. Shane Lakindanom.
Wow, Shane.
Kailangan natin yan ng paypay. Ang
Shane,
init.
You have a standing ovation from the panel.
Grabe si Shane Lakindanom. And on my count, it's 7 threes. I'm not entirely sure. We're double-checking right now.
Yeah, we're double-checking it right now.
Heat
Here's
check for Shane.
Again. Short. Muntik ko nang iba to yung yung mic ko. Here's a rebound for Julian Caldejon. Julian.
Here comes Julian settling for the mid-range
Jumpers,
jumper.
go!
And it's pure. The three-headed monster of FABLLI New York in full display. Lakindanom cousins and Julian Caldejon just proving to be too much here for the NYBL boss.
Ramos trying to get the score. No good. Justin, putback is good.
Great effort here by Justin Ramos. A little bit too late here.
Yeah. We have
NYBL.
3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining.
Grabe talaga yung mga guards ng FABLLI New York. Katibay.
This is just your second game of 9 games here in GUIAO Convention Center.
Kobe Urbina, just the seas parting for Kobe Urbina.
Here's Kainta. Yeah, tama ang bilang mo. We got 7 3-pointer in 11 attempts. Here's Shane again!
Not sure what the record is for Sinag Liga Asya Juniors on the total made threes, but I'm sure Shane Lakindanom is in the contention.
Yeah, now he has 32 points for Shane Lakindanom. Wow, what an explosion for Shane Lakindanom.
Sana matuloy pa niya.
Oo. 32 points na. Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim.
know that Ethan Lakindanom dad is also from Pampanga, so it means a lot to him to be able to play back home since he has family supporting him overseas and here as well in Pampanga. Now back to you, Nico and Martin.
Oh, local din pala ang daddy ni Ethan Lakinda.
Grabe talaga. Grabe yung mga
Julian Calderon.
guards niya talaga. Julian Calderon, just so masterful with the way that he shoots the ball.
Here's Angeles. Jumper, no good. We got Nugget working hard. Oh, what a layup!
Another doopsie do there from Angeles.
Ang ganda lumayap. Here's a timeout for... We are going
Coming out
on a
party.
short break.
Shane Lakindanam just on fire this whole ball game.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
We are now back to the ball game. We have our social media accounts, our YouTube and our TikTok, Sinag Liga TV. So for those who are or who wants to watch our live Sinag Liga TV on TikTok.
I'm checking to see as well.
There's
Meeks,
Nugget.
kung ano yung 3-point record. Kasi baka break na ni Shane Lakindanam.
Let's see yung record. Wow. We got 2 minutes, under 2 minutes. There's Ramos. Another rebound for
Beautiful
Stevie.
pass there
There's
from
Marlon
Ethan
Cantino.
Lakindanam.
No good. Nugget. To Caldejon for three. No good. Good tap by Speedy. Grabe yung ano dito. Yung shooting, 3-point shooting ng FABLLI New York. They have 10 out of 24 attempts.
41% is ridiculous from 3-point.
Grabe. At 7 dyan, kay Shane.
Oh, grabe.
Shane is 7 for 11. So imagine, 4 lang ang minintest niya.
I'm gonna make a really bold statement and say that this big three of Ethan Lakindanam, Shane Lakindanam, and Julian Caldejon are UA PNCA, right?
Yeah. And these guys are college ready.
Just the efficiency, the overall skill, the reads. Just a complete game that you
Grabe
see
ang
from these
basketball
three.
IQ kasi. Taas.
I'm so impressed with these guards,
Oh,
as well as John Leon Villanueva
Yeah, John
and
Leon.
Nico Armario.
Here's a 3-point try for Aquino. No good. Lopez. We got 1 minute.
Another steal here
Here's
from
Speedy.
Ethan Lakindanam. Getting a little
Julian.
saucy with it. And that's going to be another flagrant foul. All these unnecessary fouls here in this ball game. A close fist foul there from Kanta.
Again, I'm speechless. Para saan? Kanta. Mr. Kanta, para saan? Again,
There's really just
I know
no
you're
point
not
here.
a dirty player or pero para saan? Hindi na kailangan. The score is 95 to 57.
Again, we want to remind all the players who watch this back. This is being broadcasted live all around the world. So how you conduct yourselves on the court, you're showing it to the world, to all these potential coaches.
Another ejection for Kanta. Again, hindi namin kinokonsente yung mga ganyan, pero we don't bash also.
And you shouldn't be happy about this type of play. You really shouldn't. This is not the example of Philippine basketball that we want to be showcasing internationally.
You're better than that. I mean,
The NYBL boss, take a look at the mirror. 2 players ejected. I hope that Coach Butts bring this up because this is not the example that we want to be showcasing to the players and to the audience internationally.
yeah, totoo yan, totoo. Sayang. Ang ganda na nilalaro natin. Tapos mahahaluan ng unnecessary fouls. We have Julian Caldejon. And ang kinakatakot kasi natin dito is mag-escalate for we have the Lyceum Sharks. They have sila yung next game natin. And again,
grabe din yung schedule ng teams dito. So,
dire-diretso.
loads of basketball being played here in SLA Junior.
There's Ethan Lakindanum.
And then that's the response that you want to see from FABLLI. Just continuing to play an excellent game, not letting the emotions get the best of them.
Hindi sila bumabawi. Yan ang maganda naman sa kanila. There's Nash Ramirez for 3, no good.
There's pure class being shown here by FABLLI New York.
There's Justin Ramos, still trying his best. Nash Ramirez for 3, no good. Lopez with the putback. There's a steal by Nash Ramirez.
Seems like they're just going to dribble it out here.
You got 2.5 seconds remaining. And again, for those who are watching, hindi namin binabash yung mga na-eject. We just, sinasabi lang namin na I think dapat hindi na nila ginagawa.
We want to build the right habits for these players while they're still young.
Again, at the end of the fourth quarter, it is FABLLI New York 99. The NYBL 59. So again, a huge win for the FABLLI New York. Our final score 99 to 78, 99 to 59.
What an outing here by FABLLI in New York. Just a full-on shooting display from the Lakindanum brothers and Julian Caldejon. Truly a force to be reckoned with here in the Sinag Liga Asya World Showcase.
Again, wonderful work for the three-headed monster. Shane Lakindanum, Speedy Lakindanum, and Julian Caldejon. Now, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim.
I am now with the Sinag best player of the game, Shane Lakindanum of FABLLI New York with 32 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 steals. Now, first of all, congratulations on winning your third game. Now, you guys were dominant all throughout the game, even with the advanced calls. Now, my question is, how are you able to control and get the win?
Staying prepared, listening to coach and this team. The connection we got is amazing.
Wow, is there anyone would you like to greet?
Yeah, shout out my family in Jersey and my team and the coaches and everyone here. And to New York, thank you.
Now, once again, that is our Sinag best player of the game. Now, back to you, Nico and Martin.
Yun. Thank you for that wonderful report. This is Shane Lakindanum, your Sinag Liga Asya best player of the game.
Well deserved there for Shane Lakindanum. Just
final score is 99 to 59. Up next, we have the Lyceum Sharks against Canada. AZ Canada West. Magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. See you in a while.